This time about Germany. When you think of Germany, when somebody talks to you about Germany, what comes to your mind? Surely a Mercedes, Royal Mercedes car. Maybe if you don't have that kind of money, a Volkswagen. If you are really full of it, then a Porsche. The time management, the stiff German answers, the perceived heartlessness, even to the extent jokes like Germans do not have a heart up here, it is only a clock. And if you are interested in the word history, you sure remember the then supreme leader. Germany is all about it, but much more. In this video, Maven is going to sell you the idea of going into Germany. Maven is going to break it down in the subsequent videos, how to go about it in a transparent, in a easy, in a simple, in a German way, without any agents, without any middlemen, without paying additional money or too much money or the undeserved money to all those people who have perhaps less IQ than you. We are talking about going to Germany to settle. There are mainly 7 kinds of visas which apply to the nation of Germany, or Deutschland as Germans call themselves. Out of this, for our discussion, for the discussion of settling into that country, 3 are important. 1, study. 2, work. And 3, looking for employment, which has a specific name called job seeker visa. The job seeker visa is becoming very, very popular, and we will introduce that in this video, and we are going to talk in detail in the next videos about it. The most important reason to go to Germany will be a great economy and a great welfare system. In Germany, you pay a lot of taxes and you get a lot of benefits. It goes hand in hand, and the siphoning of money, either from the public side or from the government side, is very, very less. There is still a premium on characterfulness. This is one main reason. Good salaries, good tax system, and good welfare. This is something which is great about this country. The second is, Germans have been very, very conscious of the environment, at least for the last 40 years. And if you go to the way the buildings are made, to the way things get done, everybody is very, very conscious of the environment. Collecting different kind of trash outside houses, I think it started in Germany more than 20-30 years back. Because of this, the environment relatively is very, very clean. Number 3, because of the general characterfulness, the crime rate is low. And because of these 3 reasons, and of course, between man and woman and the other sexes, the difference of behavior is relatively very less. So the society is generally accepting, it is generally inclusive, independent of whatever you may have been told about it. I have personal experience of several years in Germany, and I can tell you with guarantee that because of these 4 reasons, I find personally Germany as the best destination to settle. Let me end this video by talking for a minute about the German language. It's not an easy language, but if you compare it to several other languages, including Spanish or Russian, I find German very scientific, very easy to learn. We at Maven try that all these processes, including the language learning and the visa, are done under one roof. We will try that you don't need any other agents to do anything else and you are able to do everything on your own. The German government, the German embassy, the German way of working encourages you to go, to learn, to do without middlemen. Our next video will be about learning German. We will talk in detail how do we go about it, what kind of levels are there from the Goethe Institute, which is officially recognized as the so-called certifying authority, how to achieve them, what are the ways to give the exam, and why it is not so difficult to learn German language. Please stay with us. We are going to bring one more video about making your dream of settling in Germany come true. Do share this video and write in comments below if you would like us to do anything differently from what we have been doing. We wish you a very safe and very productive rest of the COVID time, and stay tuned. This is Mavan Career Coaching ending the first video on settling in Germany.